we are right now in the beautiful downtown of Calgary at Dickey. So we heard a lot of praises for that, and they are offering smoked beef and smoked beef burgers and ribs and what's not and what's not. So we are here. We're gonna try. We're gonna get inside and we're gonna try.
And behind you, KB, the CN Tower of Calgary.
Beautiful Calgary Tower, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get in and we're gonna dig in. We'll see what they're offering and we're gonna share with you guys. So come with me. We have the menus. Barbecue is pretty historic. Actually chain, and they have a full menu, right? And it's so delicious on the table, right? And then we're gonna order shortly, guys. So let me go through this menu, and then we'll show you the more interesting videos. Okay? Here.
Guys, this is the interior of the restaurant and it's looking nice. KB is deciding what to order or what to not.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited for smoked beef.
Yep. So the interior is nice. Oh my god, the menu is so delicious and I am getting more hungry, KB. So what did you decide right now?
I'm just still reading, but for sure I'm gonna try today
Beef.
brisket, and then I'm gonna try beef ribs, right? So let me go, and maybe I'm gonna try their brisket sandwich as well.
Oh, sandwich as well?
Yeah, they have smoked beef brisket sandwich, so I'm gonna try that as well. Then look at that, guys. This is the smoker. So we have here the brisket ribs. Oh my god, man. Look at those juices. Sure. Look at that juices. Looking so delicious and tempting, man. Wow. Look at those ribs. The ribs warmer. Yeah, so they usually put the rest here. Those juices, guys. They just opened the brisket for us. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Content, this is the content.
Oh, button, okay.
Yeah, that's the content.
Now we're going to cut brisket for you.
Look at that, how tender this is.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's baking pretty thin slices and it's looking so delicious. Oh, the guy is, he just making a brisket sandwich. So,
This is with bond
and
and
he gonna put cheese on it.
Cheese on it.
And,
this is the bond
brisket.
end.
This is the burnt end,
Burnt
right?
end, that is the brisket.
Oh, wow, okay. So this is the burnt end.
Then with this,
And this is the brisket.
one bond end we put sauce on the top.
Which one sauce?
This is the original one, sweet one. This is
Original.
yes,
Oh,
normal
okay.
we put sweet.
Okay. And this come with cheese and
Yeah.
burnt end. Looking so tempting. So guys, our order is on the table. So let's dig in, take a look. So this is the beef brisket. We ordered some sides. This is mac and cheese, sweet corn, And here is another sandwich. I think so. This is the burnt ant. It's a very special sandwich, and it's also with the burnt ant brisket. And it's come with the two sauces, pickle, and some onions. And this one, look at here. So this is the regular brisket sandwich, right? And it's come with the sauces, and then we have fries, right? And pickle as well. And burnt ant come with the cheese as well. You can see the cheese here. So it's looking so tempting, guys. So, you know, I'm gonna try first with brisket, right? That's my favorite part. So let me try this one. Okay, so look, it's just a butter, guys. Look at that, man. So look at that, like you see that? Oh man, look at that. Oh wow, it's just a butter, right? So let me try just a brisket. You see that how tender it is? Oh wow. It's oh wow. So let me try it. There you go, guys.
There you go. Very tasty, delicious, guys. Like this end is gives you a little bit fat, and when it's coming to the meat, it's just melting in your mouth, guys. Oh wow! Man, I'm gonna try one more. Awesome. It really nice. Wow, voila.
Look at
Showstopper.
Look at that.
It's just
You are waiting for
come
ribs,
right
right?
now.
Oh man, it's,
Oh
it's
my
too much.
God.
It's so delicious. Very nice.
It's
So
a
look
showstopper.
at that. Look how tender it is. Look juices. Oh
Wow, voila.
see that, you guys. Okay, so Dia,
Yeah,
are you have a water in your mouth?
right? Not too much.
Oh wow. Do you see the juices are just
Yeah.
coming out right now. Oh,
Yeah.
How I'm gonna try this. I can't explain. It's just the taste just bursts in my mouth. It's just like butter, meat. Oh man. Oh man. What a delicious taste. I can't stop myself, man. Look at that. I can't stop. I can't stop. Guys. Oh,
Wow.
man. I'm gonna try one more bite, man.
And what's in the box?
Let's take a look. What's in it? Oh, it's a coleslaw.
Oh,
It's a green salad, right? This is so delicious. Like both meats, like both barbecues are really delicious, and this one is just a showstopper. Really is showstopper, guys. Oh man. Yeah, do you want to try this?
okay. Let's try the
You
burger.
want me to try?
Yep.
Okay. I'm just trying like straight. I'm not putting any pickle, any sauce. I just wanna taste real taste. I just wanna have a real taste, right? So let me do it. Oh man. I'm in heaven right now. Believe me, you guys need to come here and taste this, guys. It's worth you, man. It's worth you. So awesome. Let's see this. So this is basically a regular brisket, right? And this is the burnt but and brisket. So this is a very tasty, and the ends are pretty like they soak in some kind of special sauces, and this is just a regular one. So it's looking so nice. This one as well, right? So let me try this. Wow, so delicious, man! So delicious. Let me try this.
Side
sweet
dish.
corn. Awesome. Very good. Very nice.
And what's called mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese. Very hot. Hot really warm. Like on my table, everything is so delicious. So good. Man, you just guys need to come here and try this. I'm gonna give you a guarantee it will satisfy you. Really. So keep watching Enjoystar Food with KB and Dia. Share our channel with your family and friends and keep subscribing us. Thank you very much, and we'll meet you in another video. Very nice video. Bye bye. We have a new guy in the town, so that is Dickey's Smoke's house. So we have Mr. Kenny with me. They recently just opened this smoke house, so I'm gonna ask him. So let us know, let our audience know. So what is your specialty here?
Our specialty is brisket
Brisket, okay.
and
Ribs.
and brisket sandwich.
Sandwich, okay,
Yeah.
wow. And they are all smoked, right? So
They are smoked, yeah.
So can you give us a little like what is your process of smoking and how you do that? How long you keep it in the smoker?
We smoke for almost like 6 to 9 hours.
6 to 9 hours
Yeah,
in the smoker.
and for
Okay.
in a smoker
Okay.
for the brisket.
Okay.
And for the rib, we smoke 3 hours to smoke, and then after that we're gonna almost 3 to 4 hours for the rib.
For the ribs. Okay.
yeah.
Wow. Okay.
And chicken, we smoke chicken for almost 90 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys just recently opened
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
We opened January 12th.
January 12. Oh, okay. And the good news is this is also halal.
Alhamdulillah, everything
So
is allowed.
it is halal, and like everybody can come here and enjoy that smoked,
Yeah.
smoked beef. And believe me, I told you I went to some other smoker house as well.
Yeah.
But today was delicious,
Thank you.
really, and especially your ribs.
Yeah.
It's,
Thank you.
it's just a showstopper, really. I'm telling you. So
Thank
thank
you.
you very much to bringing in the halal smoked meat in the Calgary downtown.
No problem.
Thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.